What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Eboni.elle, and you're currently tuned in with Eboni.elle TV. I just got back from an amazing trip to Central America. I had an amazing time. I made a lot of stops, but most importantly, I had a lot of food, experienced a lot of culture, and had a lot of fun. So, I wanted to share some of the highlights of my little pit stops. This one in particular was really exciting for me. It is Bogotá, Colombia. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed these travel highlights from Bogotá, Colombia. Be sure to check out my Instagram to see my latest photos from Central America, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys all soon. Bye.